Hey, good afternoon guys. So I'm actually on my way to my dad's work right now because he needs some help with collating. I'm not sure if you know what collating is, where you just put the papers in order that they should be. That's pretty much it. It's really nice outside. I'm really jealous because everybody gets to be outside and enjoy this beautiful weather. For once, I love today's weather. For once, alright? It's extremely sunny. I love it. But the best part is that the wind is so chill. Like, it's a really nice chill breeze. So it's my favorite day today. This is my favorite day right now. Unless something else can top that, today is my favorite day of the year. See? Very sunny, very beautiful, but it's really windy. And it's pretty chill. I love it. Hopefully I get to leave early today so that I can finally chill with Kate today. And hopefully I can finally chill with Olga too. Olga and Steve, possibly Tony, we'll see. Really hope I can chill with them really soon. But right now it's not looking so good and it sucks. I don't know, we'll see. I really hope I can leave early though, because I want to enjoy this day. I want to enjoy the weather. If anything, I at least just want to bring Sadie out to the dog beach, and then probably just meet up with Kate later tonight. She's been wanting to give me like a homecoming celebration thing. It's just like me, her, and Gacho. So hopefully that goes through. I'm not sure. So as you guys can see, we're at the dog beach. Whoa. Sorry that went really white on you guys. But they're all mostly over here. Here, let me try and block that sun for you. But yeah, this is what this dog beach is looking like right now. Do you see this dog? Look, it's Malaki. Malaki. So I couldn't resist. I can never resist the water. Wanna guess whose bottom this is? It's Beagle's bottom, but it's not Sadie's. Here's Sadie. Sadie! Hi, babe! Sadie? Say let's go. Say let's go. You want to leave now? Do you want to go home? Sadie?
And it turns into do it!
Me and Kate are outside.
Dying apparently.
Yeah. That was scary looking.
Paparazzi. Paparazzi.
She's trying to teach me how to jerk.
Oh, I have the music.
Oh jeez.
I do swear.
What about the other part of it? With the leg?
This thing?
Yeah.
It's not hard, it's just
I suck at dancing,
going
so.
in and out. Shut up, you do not suck at dancing.
Well, okay, like like choreography dances I suck at. But if it was just like for me to just dance with the song, then I'm straight.
You can do this.
I could not.
Man, I do this when I'm drunk.
Really?
Yeah, when this drinking song comes on and I'm drunk, I'll just jerk. But it feels so weird. Sober.
Sober.
Those hardcore jerkers, they do like some little dip and spin.
What?
Like, yeah, they like dip and then they like spin and then they had this arm thing. I don't know. I'm just a simple, I know how to do it.
We should totally look it up on YouTube later.
Oh, we shall, and I'll show you how hardcore they are about it.
This is like my first time vlogging on my phone.
Nice. Is it clear?
It's pretty clear.
Because of this paparazzi light you have?
Yeah.
Don't worry, if your phone
I'm using a flash on my phone.
If your phone is dying, I have a charger.